Time to fix her up. Maybe bump the seacock and then like knock the bag, and then we start getting water.
Put the clean shoes in there.
Huh?
Put the clean shoes in there.
On the seacock, right on the seacock.
Hey guys, welcome to the Island Gypsy 40 footer, a boat by my cousin Colby. It's gonna be named Fortuna. Right now it's a project boat, but it's a good hull, it's in pretty good shape. For the age of the boat, we have found few little things on it, but now we're getting right to it. So on every boat that you have, it is very important to take it out at least every year and a half or so, depending on the usage, your location on the country, the temperature of the water. You have to treat the hull with your diver. The hull is in pretty good shape. We have checked the running gear, everything seems okay, with the exception of one cordless bearing. But all of these is very important to keep checking on a maintenance plan. Basically, the running gear can be checked on the hull with the diver coming in at least once a month. He's gonna check for any fouling on the paint, so it can be scrapped. That usually happens a couple months after you paint the bottom. Check your running gear, that your props are good, your cordless bearings are good.
Fresh coat. Primer went on. The first layer of bottom paint. Clean the props. Trim tabs were painted. Rudders were painted. I got a few spots. Fix the fiberglass. Here. Down here. Down here. This wall had a major leak. So I gotta freaking replace this this wood here. Rotten. Gotta get to the bottom of what's going on, where that leak's coming from. These toilets are gonna have to be replaced. We're gonna see if it runs, but this will be done only on the water. So you can actually see outside. Left a little TV if you're in here, and in that room there's a projector. Right here we got the oil pan stage and the swordfish suite. I'm gonna change these oil pans. One's gonna be on each 3208. Got some other seacocks that are gonna be going in. I'm removing the railing so that we can get the forklift in to lift the engines. So I removed that the other day. This here we discovered is teak underneath this white paint. It's a lot of paint that needs to come off. It's gonna have to change, but there's actually a ceremony needed to change the name. And here we have some new seacocks going in here. We got three of, or this is the through holes actually. Some new through holes going in. Right here. So we got that there. New through holes coming in.